Hey guys, it's TravelCharles here. Today I ordered a brand new Tim Hortons cup. It's a ceramic travel cup. It's 16 OZ now, but let's take a look. I'm really interested, very much. I'm looking forward so much. He will be my next, because you know I fucking love Tim Hortons coffee. I wanted to drink it, you know, everything with that brand. It's very packed so much. Whoa. I'm very looking forward to very much. Yeah, it's very deeply packed. You have to use lots of strength and honor. I'm very much looking for it. Right now I'm on university and I had very heavy tests, and I'm very looking forward to play World of Warcraft for relax. It's still too much. Oh my goodness. Too heavy. Wow. Oh my god. It's so nice. I think it's 16 OZ. Yeah, it's definitely 16. Wow, look at this beautiful Tim Hortons mug, travel mug. Oh my god, look at that. So nice, winter edition. Wow. And here you can see that. Wow, it's so nice. You can see the brand here. Hand wash only, do not microwave, made in China. Tim Hortons, limited edition 2018. Wow, it's very nice. What's that? I don't know what's that good for. I don't know. But here you have the cap. And here we have something from Tim Hortons. Here's in French, okay, so English. Please read the reminders below. So you can read that. Do not microwave. Keep up of reach of the children. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This was my unboxing video. Tim Hortons cup. I hope you liked it. If yes, please like and subscribe for more videos, and see you next time. Bye. TravelCharles here. Bye.